can a man marry one wife? A man is supposed to marry 6, 7 wives according to the Bible. What is all this? Look at the Muslims. They are married 7, 6 wives. And we Christians are getting married to just one wife. This is touching all. Government should look into it. Government should do something. Government should do something. Government should do something. How can a man marry one wife? It's supposed to be 6, 3, 4. Who will come marry us? Who will marry us? Please, government should do something. Bury that man, Tunde Ednon. I'm calling all of you. You people should do something. In Nigeria, men should be marrying at least 6 or 7 wives. Who will marry us? Please, when this video comes, everybody should share it. The whole world needs to see it. There's a lot of single women in Nigeria. Why? 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 Why?